Welcome back to the Spa Series 1, Wave 2. Today we're opening another new one. And it's another one of the soaps with the molds. These are cute. I like these. This one is a Seashell mold. And it is called Tropical Soap. These are very easy. You're going to dump all the packets in there, add the liquid, stir it, mold it into a ball, let it set for 5 minutes, press it into the molds, put it in the freezer for 20 minutes, and then they pop out really easily, and then they're ready to play with. So we have this that goes with our bathtub. We have our tropical scented oil, seashell mold, both of our pink packets. We also have a different tray. Oh, that's cute. To place the soaps in when we're done. And then you can actually use the soaps. The legs for the tub. Spatula to mix it. And our mixing bowl with our loofah. These are so soft and cute. The bowl is the same as the last time, so I'm just going to use the ones I used just a minute ago when I filmed the other one. So let's clean up and get to making this. This is my bowl from last time. And you're going to put both bags of the powder in here. This will fill up the mold one complete time, and then I had enough left to make 1.5. So make sure all of that is out. I feel like I just inhaled some of that powder. I don't know what this stuff actually is. It does smell good though. This stuff smells good. Kind of smells like grapefruit. And last time I did use all of this, so I'm just going to let it drop in there. Then you just slowly stir it till it starts clumping up. Then you could transfer it to your hand and shape it into a ball. It is slightly sticky. It kind of feels like cookie dough, where you can shape it, but there's a little bit of a stick to it. So we're almost there. Could probably try to pick it up now, but there's still, as you can see, some powder in there. It's flying everywhere. Okay. This is where your hands get a little messy. Temporarily. You just kind of knead it. You could pick up the other pieces and any powder, kind of like you would Play-Doh. I wonder how the soap's going to feel once it kind of like thaws out, because it's frozen when you take it out. And it felt pretty solid. I don't know if it'll stay that way or if it'll kind of dry. Hasn't been long enough for me to know. This one feels more mixed well than the last one, I think. There's a little piece of yellow from the last one. All right, we have it in a ball. I'm gonna leave it there for 5 minutes. Probably just so all the moisture and there's no dry pieces. That's probably why. And then we will put it in the mold. It has now been 5 minutes, so let's start putting them into the mold. Oh, those are cute. Looks like, are these two the exact same and then this one's slightly different, or am I crazy? No, all three are a little bit different. And there's 2 of each design, I think. Okay, just gonna pinch a little bit off and press really hard so that everything is in there so it prints really well. Okay, and then if too much is on the top, like if it looks like it's like that, where it's rounded, you can take like a toothpick or something flat and just kind of scrape it across. That way you get nice, even back to the mold, to the soap. I just did that to one of them to test it. Press it in there really good. You'll have to let me know if you guys, if you've made the soaps, have you tried to use them, or do you keep them for like display or little storefronts? I know people have like doll houses and storefronts and things that they display them in. And likewise, they use like the empty boxes and packages and stuff. Just curious to know what other people do with it. I let my daughter play with them, and she made quite the mess with some of the spa series, like the sugar scrubs. They were very sticky. She was adding water to them and putting them in the tub. You know, playing with them like you're supposed to do. But there's a couple of like my favorites that I've kept how they are, and have some like on my desk and things like that, or bookshelves. All right, I think I have a little bit more than I had last time left over, probably because I scraped the backs of them like that. Not sure if I was talking the whole time when it was out of focus, but if so, sorry. I'm gonna pop these in the freezer now for 20 minutes, and they'll be back to show you what they look like. Let's pop these out. They pop out effortlessly. I guess we could reuse these to pour resin in too, can't we, if they're silicone? I'll have to try that. These are cute, and they press really well, the prints on them. They look very similar, but there's small differences in a few of them. And now we can place them on the trays. And they will kind of go back to room temperature, but they do feel dry, but I feel like you could still smush them if you need to mold them for any reason. Let me see how many more I can make. Probably at least 2, maybe 3. I think it helps scraping the back of the molds so that it's flat. Press it in there real good. Let's see what I used last time. This. Go across a little. I feel like that one is a little. There we go. Now it's full. Cute. All right, I'm going to put those in there, so I'll have 9 total then. But yeah, these are cute. I hope to get more of the soaps. I think these are fun. There's some cute ones on here. The sandalwood soap, they're cacti. Yeah, they're all different cacti, it looks like. There's a fresh soap that has like rainbows and clouds. And then there's a lavender soap that has gems. They kind of look like jewels or gems. And then 2 rainbow soaps. So very cute. Out of 10, I would probably give this about a 7.5. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment. Let me know if you like the soaps, if you like the spa collection, and which one you really hope I make next. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.